morning, friends. Pawpaw here with another episode of Slinging Wrenches with Pawpaw. Sorry about the noise. It's chilly this morning. I got a heater going. Today we're going to be working on this 2016 Nissan Altima. We're putting some new headlight assemblies in this car. To do that, we got to take off this front bumper cover. We're taking off some clips right here. I think we got a screw right here in the wheel well. And we got some up underneath and get it in the air. And after that, I'll be doing a valve cover gasket on this thing too. 4-cylinder. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so when you're dealing with these plastic clips here, these dudes, get you a pair of these right here. These are a lifesaver. Make your job so easy. Look at that. So easy. They just get right under there, pull them things up, take them right out, boom, done. Alright, let's get this thing in the air and get underneath it. Okay, looks like we got a little previous damage here. But we got to undo this plastic piece here. Well, you would have about 5 bolts. Looks like there's 2 left holding it. And then we got these 4 screws around the side on each side here. And then we'll have to get up in here. We got a nut and bolt right up in there where the fender meets the front bumper cover. Alright, let's get back at it. Alright guys, there you go. So we got a bolt right here. Got a bolt right here. And I believe we got 2 on top. One down in here. And this one up here. Same thing on this side. Get back at it. Let me show you this, guys, on these plugs for this headlight. You got that little tab right there you have to push down, but it's real small, you can't hardly get your fingers in there. So when you got these clip pliers I was telling you about, it makes it easy to just get in there and push that thing down and pull it, but you gotta be gentle so you don't break it. Don't push it down too hard. Pull that thing right out of there. Look at here. I want you to see the size of this box for these headlights. Y'all remember when you could buy a headlight bulb and it was like, you know, this big? Look at this. My goodness. Look at that monster. Lord have mercy. As long as my leg. Look at that, y'all. Take them things as long as my leg. Alright guys, so now we're gonna swap these bulbs over. Pay $250 for headlights and they don't give you the bulbs, you know. So use your old bulbs. These here, headlight bulbs, you don't want to touch those. Oils from your hands will cause hot spots on them. So just be careful not to touch the glass part. Alright. Yeah, looks like that one's blowed. I think I might have another one. Yes, we do. And another one right here. Okay. Now that one is ready to go back in. Alright. Plug that thing in. On top of that. Alright, so let me show you guys something here. You got this tab up here. This tab has to go over these metal pieces, and then this little circle piece actually pops down in a hole in that metal there. Kind of holds the headlight in place for you. Right here, you can see it on this side. This hole right here. Gotta make sure that plastic piece goes over top of these two metal pieces so you can bolt it down. It wants to try to go under them. Alright, so there's that one. Get these bulbs in this other one and do the other side just the same. Alright guys, we got them all in place. Now we just have to put the bolts back in. Get the bumper back on. Maybe we'll be able to see it now. Okay, so when you guys go to put this bumper back on, see these two holes on the headlight right here on the very inside? Got one on each side. Those clips you had such a hard time pulling loose when you took the bumper off. Well, here they are. So, Christmas tree clips, you're gonna have a hard time getting them in there. Actually, you can't get them in there if you try to put it back on like that. So all around this grill you got these tabs, top and bottom. There's some down here, there, all the way around the grill. You can push in these tabs and pull them out and just pull this whole grill out just like that. And now you can get to those Christmas tree clips to put them back in. Alright, let's do it. Well, there you go, guys. Pretty as you please. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Slinging Wrenches with Pawpaw. Pawpaw out.